In this video, we will be looking at how to add a photo to Indeed and seeing if this is something that's possible to do. So with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, we're here currently on Indeed.com. So I'm currently logged into my account. Now, if you actually come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile icon, and what we're going to do from here is come and click onto profile. So in here, this is where you're going to find all your details, and you can see our profile picture thing up here. Now, upon looking into this, it turns out you cannot actually add your own photo to Indeed. What it basically does, it does list the initials of your first and last name, and that is pretty much your profile photo, but you cannot add your own photo to Indeed. This also applies to CVs or resumes. You cannot add any photos. If you want to do that, basically when you make your resume, before uploading it to Indeed, you want to add your photo to the resume and upload it that way. You're going to see if we actually click onto the CV or resume, that there's no option here to add a photo. So at the time of recording, it's not currently possible to add a photo to Indeed. Hopefully in the future this is something that will change. But with that being said, I hope this quick video did clear things up for you, and if this did help you out today, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.